Okay, this is a video on how to draw an animal. You can see that I am measuring out this animal to see how wide it is. I'm also seeing how tall it is. So these are my little markers. What I'm now doing is what's called inner skeleton. So I'm actually drawing those shapes of where I can see the circles and ovals on this animal. You can see it's all a little bit scribbly until I join all the dots to create the outside of my animal. I am always looking back at that reference image because I want to get the angles right, the shapes, how far things are. I'm starting to do the details of the face, the ears. Everything is always back down to basic shapes. See, I'm putting the nose. I've done a little guideline for where the eyes are. The next part of what I'm going to have to do is rub out all of the inner skeletons because I don't need it anymore. So all those shapes that helped me to draw the outside of the animal are now removed. Now what I'm doing is gestural line. So this is multi-directional shading. I can't shade as well when I'm holding my pencil differently. I want to cover the whole animal with tone. So I've got a HB pencil. I'm doing the whirls around the place. I just want to get one layer of graphite down. Because I've got the arrow showing my light source, when looking at the image, I need to start adding my texture of my fur. I need to look at where the light source is. So I've got a darker side of the leg, for example, and a lighter side where the light is coming through. I'm always looking back at that reference image. For this particular animal, there's a lot of fur, so I'm doing a lot of line. I'm trying to follow the pattern. Now the HB pencil will only go so far, so I will have to change over to a different grade of lead pencil so I can get some darker parts in here. But at the moment I'm just trying to get my second layer of my graphite down. Just doing a little bit more detail of the face and the ears. It's quite dark inside the ears, so I want to go quite dark on that, but my HB pencil will only go so dark. So now I'm using a 6B pencil to darken up the darkest parts of this drawing. Again, I'm referencing the image and I'm looking at where it's the most dark there, so then I can bring it over. Need to sharpen. To get accuracy, it's just all about layering and looking at that image. Where are the darker spots? Where are the lighter spots? Because there's fur, I'm just going over the top of it with what's called hatching, which is just line work. Just going over and over and over and over it. Just going to do a little bit of grounding so it looks a little bit more accurate. I'm just going to tidy up a little bit of the edges, rub out a little part, and we're done.